Right before Christmas, I found this awesome vanity for 30 bucks. That being a steal, I decided to put a little paint on it and turn it into a Christmas present for my wife as she was getting ready to return from the States to Okinawa. This vanity had a couple of electrical components for some plugs and also some hinges that I wanted to cover up. So I quickly taped them up and then I moved into putting a few layers of white paint down. So I was not concerned with the top coat that was already on this piece. If anything, I figured that it would make the paint come off a little bit easier as I was distressing it with the sanding process. And it turns out I was actually right. After I laid down the coats of paint and then let them dry overnight, I started the meticulous process of distressing this thing, which most of you probably already know. It's just a ton of sanding. So I didn't really want to take the chance and use power tools because I kind of figured that would strip the paint off more than what I wanted. So I did this process all by hand. The great thing about this project is I knew it actually really wouldn't take that much time. So I quickly knocked the painting, the sanding, everything out, and this is the final result. So the only thing left was to lug this bad boy upstairs and get it on the patio. That way I could lay down a little bit of top coat on this to protect it, and then it's up 2 more flights of stairs to get it to the bedroom where, she's actually going to use it. But anyways, after I got this project upstairs, then it really was just a waiting game for her to get on a flight and get out here to Okinawa. And with the military, that took a little bit of time, but luckily it was enough time for me to get some glamour shots and wait. That way I could record her reaction, and she didn't disappoint. All right. Go into the second door on your right.
This one?
Yep.
Why?
Go.
The lady for the bathroom? Where did you get this? Where'd you get this?
I got it at the thrift store.
Who are these presents for?
You and Burke.
Are we having Christmas right now?
Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Okay. Thank you. I just didn't know we were going to do Christmas right now.